Hello fellow crocheters, this is Yana with Yana's Crochet, and today we're going to be learning how to make this very simple pretty pattern. It's only 2 rows repeat. Basically you're just using single crochet and you putting it just into different spots. And I am using for this tutorial yarn bee pearl spun yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Let's get started. So for this pattern you want to chain an odd number of stitches, anything you want depending what you're making. This stitch is just perfect for a quick blanket. It's very pretty and very easy. It's one of those almost mindless patterns. So go ahead and chain odd number. For your first row, you are going to put a single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and then in every chain to the end of the row. And that's it for your first row, just single crochets in every chain. Chain 1 and turn, and for your second row put a single crochet in the very first stitch, the same stitch. When you turn around, that's your single crochet. Then you skip 1 stitch and put there another single crochet. Now you're going to go back into the first stitch and put a single crochet there too. So the same stitch you put your first one in, that's where you go now. Now you are going to skip 1 stitch again. Okay, so you skip the one you haven't worked in, put a single crochet there, and now you go back again into the spot where you put your previous single crochet in, and then you put a single crochet there again. So all your stitches technically are going to have 2 single crochets in it. So now you skip 1 stitch again, single crochet, go all the way back to your previous one, and you put a single crochet there, and that's your repeat. That's all you do. So you skipping 1 stitch, single crochet, and then going back into that last one and putting a single crochet there too. And you do that all the way to the end of the row. See, you skipping that 1 stitch, single crochet, and single crochet back in the previous stitch. So the same stitch you already put a single crochet in. And go all the way to the end of the row. At the end of your row, after you do your pattern repeat, you should have 1 stitch left, and that's where you just put 1 single crochet. And this is your first row, just single crochets. Now chain 1, turn. This is your third row. So all you're going to be doing here, starting with your very first stitch, the same stitch, you put a single crochet in back loop only. And you keep doing the same thing to the end of the row. So single crochets in your back loops only. So this is what it looks like at the end of 3 rows. And from now on, all you do is just repeat your second and third rows. So right now you're going to be repeating the second row again. So you chain 1, turn, and you put a single crochet in your first stitch. Then you skip 1, single crochet. And now you're going back again into the same space and putting a single crochet there. Then you skip 1 stitch. Make sure you skip that stitch where you put your previous single crochet in, because sometimes it looks like that's the only one you have to skip. But no, there has to be an empty stitch that you have to skip, you see? So skip that one, single crochet, going back into the previous one, and single crochet there. When you put the single crochets in those back stitches, make sure you pull up the loop a little more. And here's what you have at the end. Very pretty, very easy, would be look really nice in a chunky blanket. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps my videos out, and YouTube shows it to more people, and I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you enjoy my channel.